We were freaking on national television. This one, NBC News is now my screen. Saturday morning. We just woke up like half an hour ago. Actually, no, I woke up 15 minutes ago. Okay, we have to go eat breakfast. Also, this is one of the sweaters I got last night. It's a little small. Maybe should have got medium, but it's okay. It's fine. I don't know. We have a lot of fun stuff today. We're going to perform at the Intrepid, and I'm not going to. We're going to the Intrepid, and then we're going to Grand Central Station for food and just like. I'm so excited to go to Grand. I'm so tired. And this is the day that we get like the most sleep, so. Yeah, so I don't know. And then we see Waitress, and we see and we're doing a like dinner buffet at something called Crossroads. So I mean, I guess I'll just take you with me, and we'll see what happens. Okay, bye. See you later. It's me. Oh, I looked at the wrong one every time. We're going to a first performance. Wow, my hair is completely fallen. Love that. That's what happens when you don't have hairspray, folks. Okay. So we're at the Intrepid now. We're not on it, clearly, because it's cement. It's over there. Okay. Yeah, we just like warmed up my voice's ass, and it's completely shot. So, hydrate. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We have to perform like 7 songs since we're in Mad Jazz.
Okay, I don't remember watching that. Can we bus back up?
We get to walk around for like 2.5 hours, so I'll probably take you with me a little bit on that. Yeah. That's our day so far. Also, the breakfast it was decent. I'll probably show it to you tomorrow because we're having the same breakfast for like 3 days, so we'll go with that. Peace.
Woo-hoo. That's us. There you can really see him. He looks like a dork.
He said we need to.
Oh, you can help me up in a minute.
We should.
Thanks.
Oh, wait. No. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Oh. This is really pretty.
Hey Callie, what's up? We're about to perform right now. Just thought I would share this little video with you. Spam.
Wish us luck.
Yep. All right. Bye, Callie. Love you.
Okay. Hi guys. So we just got off the bus. Now we're going to Grand Central Station, getting some food, and then obviously going to Times Square and seeing Waitress. I'm excited. I'll see you when they probably have food. Whoa! Lil. We are currently looking for rats in the subway. It's a good time. There's a lot of trash. I don't see any rats, and I'm thoroughly disappointed, but not really. Stop. Okay, so we're going on the subway right now. It was a really big thing for everybody to get a freaking Metro card, and everybody was like, they were like, oh my god, we have to pay for this? Because like a lot of stuff on our trip was paid for it, and I was like, yeah, it's like $2, you're fine. So it was good, it's fine. I love when I record and then I never hit the button.
Are you serious? You weren't even recording?
Just now. I just put my sunglasses on. It wasn't that bad. And my socks are coming off of my shoes again. Oh my god, there's so many people over there. That's a lot. I literally thought someone was just proposing and I was like, but I was wrong. They were just kneeling down to take a picture.
I saw that too.
I was like, I was very excited and I was wrong. It's okay though. It's really pretty. And
He's a good
warm.
boyfriend though. Getting those angles.
Getting those angles. True. I need that. It's so beautiful up here.
So many people behind you all of a sudden.
Yeah, you have to do everything. You have to get
I love this. I just keep vlogging random things, but
everything.
I'm just having fun and I want to share it. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Okay, we're heading back down the Brooklyn Bridge because we just like stopped and took a bunch of pictures. I was taking pictures of people on just like on my phone, like little candids. I got super cute ones of Erin taking of Erin taking pictures of us. So she's been taking pictures of us the whole time, but she doesn't really have pictures of herself. So I was doing that and I found really cute ones. No.
I said I just sneezed and I peed a little and I said that to you and I didn't know you were vlogging.
I'm zooming in on that.
Been taking pictures of us the whole
100%. Okay, but what I was saying was I have a new favorite setting, and that is portrait mode. Okay, like I never ever really use that setting on my camera because I just like don't think of it, and everyone's like mom is like obsessed with using portrait mode, and so I was like, oh, whatever. So then I tried it and I was just like gonna like see what it looked like, and oh my god, it's so cute and it's perfect for candids and it like blurs out the background. I love it. It's my new obsession. I love it. It's great. It's a great time. I got a really cute one of Lily and Erin talking and they were just like laughing, and it wasn't even like obviously they didn't know I was taking pictures, but it was like those ones where all the girls are like, oh my god, let's laugh, ha 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 ha, and so, like you can tell when it's fake, and then they're like, candid, not fake, like we didn't plan this and stuff like that, and everybody's like, yeah, whatever, but like it actually wasn't planned, and it's like so cute, and they're genuinely like just happy and like talking to each other and laughing and having a good time. So I love that, because that's my thing. I always am like, oh, I want people to like, oh, I want to like cute candids of me, like I hope, oh, one of my friends is taking a picture. That's like a little narcissistic, but like it's 2019, who gives a flying frick? So I do it for everybody else. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera down for now, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
That's why I'm laughing.
If I may.
Why are you singing?
I don't know. It came into my head. These stairs are steep. They're steep. I have to buy another freaking Metro card.
You gotta buy one.
When the sun is down, brings the tower upon the roof. And your shoes get so high, you wish you're tired, feet were fired. Over to the boardwalk, down by the sea. Yeah. On a blanket with my baby is where I'll be. The sun, we'll be having some fun. People walking the mud. We'll be falling in love. Boardwalk, boardwalk. From the park you hear the happy sound of the carousel. You can almost taste the hot dogs and French fries they sell. Under the boardwalk, down
Rude. He just told us to smile, and then we smiled, and then he was like, "Oh, that was a nice video." How freaking rude.
Oh man, it smells good.
There's geometrical shapes.
Hello.
I feel like it just moved when we stepped in.
Where?
Oh,
Does everyone know? Okay, now we would make it smell bad. I'm just kidding. Wow, Lily. I said it smelled good, and then I said, well, we make it smell bad.
Jump, everyone jump.
No! Not in this fancy hotel. You kidding?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that was a different one.
Someone dressed just like her.
I think it was just like it was her. We're going to see the show.
6 of us.
Oh,
yeah.
that's
You
awesome.
see me, but you might not.
No, okay.
I saw you work in the corner.
that's literally what happened. Okay, this is us. This is us. Oh my God, we saw someone like working outside, like handing out pamphlets for like waitress to go to the musical, and Lily's dad. We were in the elevator and a girl came in the same outfit, and he goes, "Oh hey, I saw you work in the corner," and we were like, "No!"
We saw you work in the corner.
So bad. It was right after I turned the camera off too. So
So excited.
you're so okay. So Tirza, what are we seeing tonight? As if I haven't said it 12 times.
Play somewhere else. Yeah.
Oh.
Great person. I'm
Oh. Laura, what are we seeing tonight?
also gonna go see Lion King. No, I'm kidding.
Rude.
I don't know. Is it a video or a picture? I don't give you my
Yeah, is it a video? Nice video. Okay, I'll
Oh, I thought that was another person.
Same, bro, same. Okay, so we are currently at the crossroads in the Marquee in Times Square. So Marriott. What did I say? Marquee. Marriott, Marquee, same thing.
We're at the Marquee, everyone.
She said,
Okay. Reshoot.
take 2.
Okay, so right now we are at the Marriott Marquee in Times Square, and we're at the Crossroads restaurant, and we're doing a little dinner, and then we're going to see Waitress. I am so excited. Cheers, has not seen Waitress. We should see Lion King.
Well, Lion King is pretty cool too.
What?
Like, that's gonna be very cool to see.
Okay, I'm really excited. Jeremy Jordan
You're
is
gonna
going
tell
to
us
be in
about
it,
it.
and I am freaking out.
Cheers,
I'm so
I'm
excited.
so
Tomorrow, we
You're
get to
gonna tell us
see
all about
Dear Evan
it.
Hansen
On the
though,
bus.
and
I seen
I
it at
won't
like the
talk about it
PAC
anymore
or
because
like, but not like on
that I'm
Broadway.
freaking out
I
about
wanted to
that.
in a cave.
Callie, did you get a Sprite?
Yes, I did.
I didn't refill water, but I would have asked him. Thank you. Wait, is this Sprite or is this water?
That's just right. Thank you.
I just had water.
Yeah, I just have water.
Okay. So I'm very excited. This food is gonna be good. Also, okay, I just had this discussion with Lily. I didn't know that a Shirley Temple was the same thing as a kitty cocktail.
Oh my
And I
god.
feel kind of dumb.
Throw it in the ball.
I'm not throwing it in anyone's face. I'm talking to my glove.
Good. Yeah, my feet go.
My feet don't hurt.
Okay.
I got a water.
That's good.
I got 2 Sprites. Hey, welcome to Tea Time with Lily
And Aaron.
We are currently eating.
Not yet. We're not eating. We're drinking. We got Shirley Temple over here.
Shirley Temple time. So, what's the tea today? Shay Wright is very weird. I'm just kidding. We love her. We love her. She just brings up random things.
See my boobs. That's also not
Oh
false.
my god, don't show the viewers.
I got it. Covered
We
up.
should never be vloggers. This is horrible. Where are you looking? At yourself?
Yeah.
I'm trying to look at myself, but it looks like I'm not looking.
Please don't be normal.
Callista's going to
Calista is going.
like my nails, like I'm done at prom.
Like my nails are missing one.
growing out. They look
And I'm hungry, but they aren't giving us our food. Oh my god, there's Andrew Barthelman.
Oh my god, Andrew. Oh, I want his camera stabilizer.
Yeah, look how what a dork he looks like. Imagine what you would
How do
look
you know
like.
who that is?
The thing is,
We don't know who that
Yeah,
is,
you
Shay.
did. You said his name.
It's Jay. Do you know who Andrew Barthelman is? He is the star of Dear Evan Hansen. He plays Evan. And he's 16. She's like, what the freak's the big deal?
He's probably cute.
She's just like amazing.
Like a good singer, but not cute.
I mean, he's a good singer if he's not Broadway.
Shane, try being on Broadway at 16 years old.
Okay.
Aaron.
I will. I'm not kidding. Like, they're acting cool. Okay. Yum. Yes, here's us saying.
Oh, I should have asked.
Oh, you guys, this looks so good. Okay, I'm not even gonna talk that much because I want to eat so bad, but it looks really good. I'll update you. Okay, I went to go sniff my dessert and this is what happened, so. Oh my god! I wish we were saying that. I'm sad. Okay, so we're like right there. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited.
I'm buying.
Okay,
I will buy
you
it.
guys. Oh, well. Okay, we're about to see Waitress. We're in the theater. I'm very excited because I've never... 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, I have never seen like an actual Broadway performance before, so I am very, very excited. Breaking my Broadway virginity. Thank you, Waitress. Future profession. Oh my god, I'm sorry, love. Anyways, I'm very excited, and also some of Mr. Connor's old students, so our choir director, some of his old students where he used to work are also here on their school trip right now, and they call him Connie, and it's very funny, and they just keep yelling it across the rows because we're really close to them. They're just like, Connie, and I'm like, what? Yeah, it's a good time. It's really fun. I'm probably gonna be in tears a lot tonight. So I guess I'll see you at the show and tell you how it goes. Bye. You can't see Mr. Connor's cheating on us with his old students. He's ours. Oh my god!
Sorry, Mr. Connor.
Cowboys hat on.
What?
Who is it?
Jeremy Jordan!
Who's that?
What? He wasn't there!
Connor, I'm sorry, I was wrong.
Oh! She wasn't there.
Like, they all stayed.
If we would have waited like 5 seconds, we would have got to meet Jeremy Jordan. I'm sad, but he was amazing, so it's fun. He is beautiful.
We are downtown Times Square. Check it out. It's so totally awesome.
I'm literally shaking. I'm gonna die. I'm literally, I'm hyperventilating right now.